Hello. This video is going to demonstrate how to create a work order on a service point, such as a water service or solid waste service point. Now the first thing we need to do is locate the address where the service is located. So for that we are going to use the locate tool. If the locate tool is not visible in your toolbar, simply select the tools drop-down menu and check the box next to where it says locate. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to use an address in the city of Visalia. And first thing you want to do is make sure that you have your ArcGIS Online selected. And then we will put in the address 1230 West Dorothea, Visalia. Spell that right? Yes. Then you hit enter. And ArcGIS Online will conduct its search and it'll display the results below in the tool, and you'll see that it has 4 results. So we want to find 1230 West Dorothea, which is here, so we will click on that. And you'll see that the map shifted and we have a green marker in the location of that address. So it's obviously out a little too far, so what we want to do is click on the zoom in tool. And we are going to zoom in so we can actually get what we're looking for. I'll zoom in a little further. And I think I want a little further than this also. Let's go, oh, maybe a little further. Okay, so now we can see that the marker, it appears to be here on the one right to the above right, but we're going to draw a box around both of these addresses just so we can make sure we get the right one. So we're going to select our selection tool, and we're just going to draw a box around both of those. So Cityworks Server now is pulling the data from GIS, and it's going to give us 2 service locations and 2 address points. So it gave us 1230 and 1236. So let's select on 1230, and you'll notice that it turned yellow. So that's the one we want. So let's get our selection tool again and just draw a box around that particular one. So what it's doing is it's grabbing the data from the service point, which is that orange dot, as well as the address point, which is that black triangle. So you have both of these selected, and this is what you want to create your work order on. You don't want to create a work order on just one or the other. You want your address and your service point. Okay, so we can close that. It'll stay selected on the map. And we will go to the work order menu, which opened up the work order creation screen. We're going to open a solid waste work order. So the category is going to be the same. And your feature you're looking for is a solid waste service. So when you select that, that will bring up your available work order options. So for demonstration purposes, we will add a bin to this address. And go down here and you can change any of these fields that you like. So we're just going to put this in a in progress status, and the default priority is medium, but you could submit it to somebody in particular, or you can put some comments, add bin, or whatever you want. And when you're happy with what you have so far, just hit the create button located in the upper left. So we're going to select that. And then you'll notice you have a lot more range of options if you want to modify something else in your work order. And that is how you create a work order on a service point. That concludes this video.